Here in Canada, we generate the most waste per capita in the world. One of the reasons this is so problematic is because landfills emit methane gas, which traps 70 times more heat than CO2. In 2016, Waste Not, Want Not was founded to help the Concordia community compost, sort, and reduce its waste. Since then, the Concordia community doubled their annual composting, and each Concordian reduced their annual overall waste by 16%. That's 2 months' worth of garbage per year per person. Now, Waste Not, Want Not has transformed into Enough, a B Corp company, to scale that waste reduction success beyond Concordia. So here's what we need to know about composting and waste sorting. Composting is a process to transform organic waste into fertilizers that can be used to return nutrients back to the soil to grow more food. Composting emits far less greenhouse gases than landfills and keeps disintegrating materials from leaching into drinking water and soil. The most important thing about composting is making sure that you do not put non-compostable materials in the compost bin. If this happens, the fertilizer becomes contaminated with plastic, which later gets into our food. So, no plastic or coffee cups. Let's be real though. Have you ever been confused with your waste?
I knew exactly what to do, but in a much more real sense, I had no idea what to do.
Yes, it's confusing. So let us help you with the first small step. Here are some guidelines on where different types of waste should go. In the compost bin, we can put all organic waste, which includes leftover food and soiled paper. Similar issues about contamination exist for recycling. Only 9% of all discarded plastic actually gets recycled, because plastic is often used in composite materials, which is a difficult contamination to deal with. To avoid that, here are the rules. Metal and clean paper can go in the recycling. For plastics, check the number on the bottom first. Plastics labeled number 1 through 5 can be recycled, but plastic number 6 should go in the landfill bin. So even though it has a recycling triangle, plastic 6 is not actually recyclable. Everything else, like styrofoam, things made of multiple materials, and anything you're not quite sure about, should go in the garbage. When in doubt, throw it in the garbage bin. It's better than risking contaminating compost or recycling bins. At the end of the day, the best call is to reduce our waste. So try swapping out your single-use products for reusable alternatives. It's a lot easier than you might think. Feel free to ask us for more resources on how to make these kinds of swaps. We believe that this small first step will become your bigger step in fixing the waste crisis. It all starts with you.